Hey guys, it's Jolene here, back again for part 2 of life hacks and DIYs. So this week's life hacks are going to be about hygiene. There are 2 DIYs in this video and 2 life hacks. Let's get on with the video. I'm so extra. Okay, so you know that moment when you're trying to get the last of the toothpaste out of the toothpaste tube and you know there's still some in there but it's just not coming out? There's an easier way to get it out of the toothpaste without having to go out and look for a bobby pin or a clip or something like that. Most of the life hacks tell you to do that, but no, it's much easier to just, grab your toothbrush that's right there. It has a rubber tip on it, so then it has a better grip, and it has a longer handle. Plus, you don't have to go and look for some bobby pin. And look, it works just fine, and it's super flat, and look how much is coming out. It was way easier to do that, less effort, and look how much less stressed you are. I am very clumsy, so something like this is bound to happen to me quite a lot. And if I just threw it away, that would be a waste of product. So this life hack is to fix the deodorant. You're just going to pop it in the microwave with a wet paper towel around it so that it heats evenly. Then you're just going to mix it up so that it melts together fast. After putting it in the microwave again, you're just going to want to stir it up even more to make sure that it's completely even. Then let it cool for a little bit in the fridge or just at room temperature, and your deodorant stick should be fixed. So for this DIY, we're going to be making those things that you put in your shoes to make them smell good. I don't know what they're called, but I'm just going to refer to them as the bags. So to make the bags, you have to cut out 2 pieces of squares from your fabric. And I'm doing 4 squares because I want to make 2 of the bags. After you're done cutting out your fabric, you're just going to take your glue gun and glue together 3 of the sides of your square. You're going to leave the one side open so we can stuff it with the things that will make it smell good. Just be sure to spread out the hot glue so that there are no holes in your bag. And I'm just doing the same thing with my other bag, gluing down all 3 sides. Then after you're done gluing them down, you have to flip the bag inside out so that the seams will be on the inside and it'll look better. Once you finish with that step, you're almost done. Here I'm just going to be stuffing the bags with this air freshener packet that I found. And I'm not going to fill it up all the way. You have to leave a little bit of room at the top so that you can hot glue it down. And after you glue together the bag, you're done. My Adidas shoes got a little worn down, as you can see by the fuzzies at the tip of the shoe, but there is a way to fix that with clear nail polish or top coat. So you're just going to want to smooth down the little fuzzies that broke from the string, and you're just going to paint a coat of the clear nail polish on top of it so that it stays in that downward position. And I'm using my finger to press down on the string even more so that it really stays on there and sticks. Let's do a montage just for fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really hope that you're able to use these and for these life hacks to help anyone. If it just helps one person, I'll be happy. I will be posting more stuff like this and DIYs and vlogs, so if you want to see that, just hit the subscribe button and you won't forget about me. Because sometimes over time you forget about your favorite YouTuber because you don't subscribe. Then once you rediscover them, you're like, oh, I can't believe I forgot about this YouTuber. So that's what you do. You subscribe so you don't forget about me. And what's the harm in subscribing? Just do it. Like the video if you liked it so that I know that you liked it, because I will be trying to post similar videos to the ones that have the most likes on my channel. If you watched the whole thing, thanks so much. I really appreciate you. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!